Today discussion about depersonalization disorder. Depersonalization disorder occurs when you persistently or rapidly have a feeling that you are observing yourself from outside your body, or you have a sense of that things around you are not real or both. Feelings of depersonalization and derealization can be very disturbing and may feel like you are living in a dream. Many people have a passing experience of depersonalization or derealization at some point. But when these feelings keep occurring or never completely go away and interference with your ability to function, it is considered depersonalization, derealization disorder. Symptoms: persistence and recurrent episode of depersonalization or the derealization are both cause of distress and problems functioning at work or school or in the other important area of your life. The experience and feelings of the disorder can be difficult to describe. Worry about going crazy can cause you to become preoccupied with checking that you exist or determining what actual real. Symptoms usually begin in the mind to late or early adulthood. Depersonalization symptoms: feeling that you are an outside observer of your thoughts, feelings, your body, and are part of your body. For example, as if you were floating in air above yourself. The sense of your body, legs, or arms appear destroyed, enlarged, or shrunken, or that your head is wrapped in cotton. A sense that your memories lack emotions, that they may or may not be your own memories. Derealization symptoms: feelings of being alienated from a unfamiliar with your surroundings. For example, like you are living in a more or movie or in a dream. How is DDD treated? The most effective treatment of DDD usually involves some type of therapy, especially psychodynamic therapy or cognitive therapy. With the help of the therapist, you can learn about DDD, uncovered, and work through any past trauma or risk factors and explore the coping strategies to get through future episodes. How is triple D treated? The most effective treatment for DDD usually involves some type of therapy, especially psychodynamic therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy. With the help of therapist, you can learn about triple D, recover, and work through any past trauma or risk factors and exploring coping strategies to get through future episode. Causes: the exact causes of depressionalization derealization disorder is not well understood. Some people may be more vulnerable to experiencing highlighted status of stress and fear may trigger episode. Risk factor: factors that may increase the risk of depression, certain personality traits that makes you want to avoid or deny difficult situation or make it hard to adapt to difficult situation. Severe trauma during childhood or as an adult, such as experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event or abuse. Depression or anxiety, especially severe or prolonged depression or anxiety with panic attack. Complications: difficulty focusing on tasks or remembering things, interference with work and other routine activities, problem in relationship with your family and friends, anxiety or depression. Treatment: cognitive techniques can help block obsessive thinking about the unreal state of things. Behavioral techniques can help patients engaging in tasks that distress them from the depersonalization or derealization. Psychodynamic therapy helps to patient deal with negative feelings, underlying conflict or experiences that make certain effects unintolerable to the self and thus disassociated.